from Best
Look
Buy.
at that big TV, man. You want to see a big TV? Right there. Right there.
Oh, let's go check it out,
Wait, I
Kai.
ought to go. Look at the TV.
Wow. It's bigger than you. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. How many inches is that, Kai? 85 inches. Wow. Can you do it? Can you give me your wingspan across it? Holy cow. Very
When
nice.
the kid launched me at Springbrook, I was like,
Oh my god, your face was so funny. No, you were happier than that. You were like,
no, I was like very scared when I went.
that was fun though, huh? Do you want to give Uncle Kate a message?
I bet that Vincent would just come here with like TV and just stare at me.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to give Uncle Kate a secret message for later?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to him?
Launch me higher.
Launch me higher.
Yep.
Can you tell him you love him?
I love you.
Aw, good job.
Mary.